Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an interesting macrame strap tutorial to share with you. Besides using it as a camera strap, you can also use it as a bag strap or pet strap. Let's get started. First, you need to prepare 2 swivel keyrings, 2 ropes. Each rope is 27 inches long. 1 rope, 118 inches long. 1 rope, 236 inches long, and another colored rope, 236 inches. First step, use the 118 inches rope, fold it in half, and then you tie it to the hole of the swivel. You can tie it by tying a lark's head knot or a reverse lark's head knot. Next, use the 236 inches white rope and orange rope, then you pass one end of them through the hole. Next step, you use the 27 inches rope and fold one end to make a loop. Place the loop under the swivel keyring and in front of the ropes. Then you take the longer end and wrap around the loop. Please note, wrap it evenly and tightly. Next, you pass the wrapping end through the loop, then pull the other end to bring it inside the wrapped area. Then trim the excess ropes neatly. And a small note to help your work look more nice looking, that is, pull the remaining ropes to remove slack. Here are 2 long ropes and you will put them on the sides like this. Now, start tying knots. First step, you're going to form a loop on the left, and you're going to over the first middle rope, and behind the second middle rope. Now, the second step, move. The orange rope is going to cross all of it. So you're going to take the orange rope from right to the middle, and then up through the loop that you made on the left side. And you pull this neat and tight. Now, each time you do this, they're going to keep the same rule. The rule is, each time you will always start with the rope, you move at the first step, and here's the white rope. Repeat the process until you have the desired length. Now, I'm going to move down near the end when the working ropes are shorter, so you can easily see what I'm doing and the direction of the ropes are moving. Last step, you use the other swivel keyring and 1 rope 27 inches long, then you tie a wrap knot with the other end. To tie the wrap knot, you do the same as the first step. After all steps, here's our strap. Its length is 44 inches, and both sides of it are usable. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a like or subscribe. That really does help me out. Thank you, and I'll see you next week.